Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and another video. Sharleth Lira here. So on today's video we will be making a DIY hair mask for all of my curly hair friends that want to go back natural, and also for all of us that are already natural but like to keep our hair healthy, hydrated and frizz free. This is something you should definitely give it a try. This video is kind of long. To see a shorter version, just click here or click on the link in the description below. Yes guys, my nails break, sorry about that. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So we will be using 1 or 2 bananas depending on the length of your hair or the size of the banana. We'll be using some Creme of Nature hair mask. Then we'll apply a tablespoon of honey, and then we'll apply 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil into our bowl. Then we'll put all of this into our blender. Blend it up. So now we will just get ready to apply it to our hair, and it looks so yummy. So I decided to wash my hair with shampoo only before applying it. You don't have to do that. You can do it on unwashed hair. So I'm going to apply it section by section, focusing on the driest part of the hair. That's the back of your head, edges, and ends of your hair. Benefits of the ingredients. Banana. It's one excellent source of proteins, vitamins, and natural oils, biotin, and magnesium. It offers a ton of benefits for your hair. These include it keeps your hair soft and manage-free, it nourishes the scalp and hair follicles, help maintain natural hair elasticity, and prevent breakage and split ends. The Creme of Nature hair mask helps restore dry, damaged curls, strengthens and hydrates dry, brittle hair, prevents damage and restore curls, add moisture and exotic shine for thick curly hair. The honey is a natural humectant. Will add moisture and shine to even the dullest head of hair. The olive oil adds softness and shine, deeply condition, reduce frizz, and it's a great remedy for split ends. So guys, this is a mask you should try if you are transitioning or you have dull, thirsty curls. Do it and your curls will thank you. After applying it all over my hair, I will go ahead and cover it with a plastic bag to help the hair retain moisture. I will let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, then I will wash it out using my conditioner. I will be back to show you guys the final results. So guys, this is the final result. My scalp feels so fresh, my hair feels so soft and is looking healthy. Just look at the shine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to comment on this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye! So this is all for this video. Don't forget to drink your water. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair.